Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Microsft Edge browser on OUKITEL RT8. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsft Edge is installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.